Hi traders, good morning, how are you? Hi there, Mariano, Car, oh my god, I cannot pronounce their names. Martins, how are you? How are you guys? I'm looking now at GJ on the 30-minute because it already started a new candle, and I think that the price it should continue to go up, and let me see how it's going to react around this area also where we have this trend line where I have put it here. I can say, and I have to recognize that I'm not so good in putting trend lines because I don't really use them, but sometimes when I see how you say that the price can stay on the trend line, then I put it. And I know that sometimes when the price is going up and it's breaking through that trend line, then it means that the price it should come down, and then if it's the opposite, then the price should go high. Hi, how are you? Brandy Jones, I know you are my student. How are you, beautiful? I love when I have all the girls on my community, and I want more girls because I'm a girl, and I like when we have power, you know, and also when we prove that we are not only beautiful, we are also smart, and also we can make money and have businesses and so on. So coming back to GJ, it showed me that right here it closed above, but let me see if it's going to retest again this area, but it already did it here, or maybe the price, even if it closed right here, it may continue to come down. Let's see, but I really want to wait for the 1 hour candle to close, because like this I have a better opportunity to enter in the market. Okay, for example, EURJPY, it went beautifully up, and if you remember, for those that they are on my group, if we are going on the higher time frame, let me try to do it, it's here, you can see it also on the 4 hour and also on the daily. I'm expecting and waiting for this price. Let me see, I should take this one. So I'm expecting for this price, it's very ugly, but I'm expecting for the price to make like a double top. Okay, so I'm waiting for the price to top a little bit this zone and then to have a sell. Okay, you asked me, JJ, that if it's going to be a massive drop. I saw your message earlier on the group. I don't know if it's going to be a massive drop, but I don't care about massive things. I just want to catch 20, 15, I don't know, 25 or 45 pips. It doesn't matter. Because you already know my strategy, that when I'm making 100%, 100 pips per week, then definitely I'm out of the market, and this is one of my strategy, and I never fail with this one. So I'm not chasing for more than 100 pips, but when I give signals and I see something, yes, definitely I give more pips. My god, I don't know what's happening with me. My eyes on GBP Swiss franc. Let's see. Your eye on this one for what? On the 4 hour, it seems like it's rejecting from this area. Let me do it a little bit smaller. So on the 4 hour, it's rejecting this zone. Okay, and you are trying to tell me that what, the price, it may come back to this area, and then from here it may come back up again here. Tell me, what do you see on this one? You want to have a sell, you want to have a buy? Let me see also on the daily how it looks. It looks like the price also rejected from here, and there is a higher chance that the price can reject also and come back down here. Downtrend accepted, yes. Ma'am, what do you say here about gold? About gold. Wow, it's so ugly, gold. What's going on with gold? Let me see on the 1 hour. Let me see 4 hour. Let me see daily. Oh, you see what happened here? Like this is a double bottom, okay? So it's the same thing that I'm waiting on EURJPY. You see, it made this W, so this one you call it, I know you know it, it's a double bottom, and here you have the support and the price rejected from here. So there is a higher chance that first the price can come to this area of 1744, and then the price can come to 1756, and here we have to make another analysis at 1763 because as you can see here we have these rejections from here, and if the price is going to break through this area, then we could have a target at 18. Okay, so maybe first up at 1784. So like this, you should anticipate your next move all the time. Okay, short trading in what? In GBP Swiss franc. Short trading, and I wait for the downtrend retracement, Fibonacci 0.5. Be careful because sometimes the price is still going to 618. Okay, it can break 0.5 and then the price can come down even lower. So please wait for the best confirmation to go into the trade. This was about the GBP Swiss franc. So coming back to gold, I have told you, and I still believe that the price should break this area and then to continue to go higher and higher. Okay, I have placed a buy stop on NASDAQ, price 13,600. Let's see. Where is it? My God, I have so many here. I cannot see it. I don't know if I have it right here. No, I don't. So you can have a look also on TradingView where I do make analysis, and there you can have a look also on NASDAQ what I have said about this one for the weekly analysis. Okay, so here I don't have it and I will not chase it right now. Yeah, I know Fibonacci pullback, I am waiting. Well, very good, yes. Wait, because where is it? This is your pair right here. Wait for the best moment, okay, to go into a trade. Here, if I can, if I'm looking on the daily chart, it seems like the price, it went to a higher point. Okay, so let's see if the price is going to break this area and then to come down, or the price only came down a little bit to make like a retest and then to continue to go higher. We don't know. On the 4-hour chart, coming back to your pair, it seems like for me right now it's like ranging, so definitely I will not trade it, and I'm not looking at this one. I'm looking especially at GJ and sometimes at GU, and it seems like also this one there is, let's say, the same story. Okay, let me remove also this So I'm trying not to talk too much and maybe to catch a trade. So this is on the 4 hours, so it seems like it just came back down here, made like a retest, and now it seems like it's trying to come back up again. So let's see what the price is trying to do, although we are in a very strange area because we are higher and you don't know when the price can break that zone and go more, or maybe the price can come back down. So we should be very careful with GJ right now. And also yesterday that the market, let's say that it was closed, we had a bank holiday, but although the pairs they moved a little bit, but right now it seems like the pairs are taking some courage, and for a moment GJ is coming down. Oh, let me see at the currency string matter how things are looking right now, and it seems like Euro and USD is strong, and GBP and GPY weak. So maybe that's why we don't see something special on the charts. For example, with GJ, and maybe I am waiting. Let's see, that means that USDJPY, it has to come up. So this is happening right now. The thing is that I'm looking at too many pairs and I don't have time to do to have a very good entry. So this is again, so it's simple. On the 1 hour, if the price is going to break and close above this area, then there is a higher chance that the price can come to 110,684 level. Okay, because it's in that at this moment GPY it's very weak. Let me see also euro it's still pushing up, and I told you for this pair, because I have missed this move right here, and because in my mind I was looking for a sell, because in the morning when I opened my charts, I had the first impact. It was that okay, this pair it must do the double top and it has to fall. So I couldn't see the buy. So that's why it's very important that if you see only one thing, it's better to see that thing and to stick with it, okay? And if you see only sell, for example, just stick with a sell and that's it. So even if this pair is going to go to the moon, I'm not going to take it, because right now I see only sell, okay? GBP AUD long. My God, but how many pairs do you are looking for? Where is it? This one. Whoa, why do I have here green? What's going on right here? Here is what I have done with my with the students. So with this one, it seems like this one, it can be something like this. And this one could be something like this. So there is a higher chance that if the price is going to reject from this area, then we can have a buy for at least at 1.82. This is on the 4 hour, okay? So first target could be here, and then the second target could be here at 1.82, 500. Okay. Also here I have set an alarm, but your idea is good with a buy, and I hope that the price is not going to, if the price is going to break this area, then the price it can come down. That's why I am waiting for all the GBP pairs. So I'm thinking that if the GJ is going to move either up or down, I believe that. So if the pound is going to become strong, then there is a higher chance that the price it can continue to go higher. What pair you recommend for for beginners or have a little experience? So for the ones that they have a little experience, I can encourage you to take EURJPY. Well, EURJPY, let's say that it's moving, okay, sometimes like GJ, okay, but it's not so violent. But if you can look at EURJPY and GJ, they are almost the same. One thing it's because they have the GPY, okay, and because they are moving, let's say, almost they're moving in the same sessions like London, New York, and also Asia session. So I recommend you EURJPY. I recommend you not to risk more than 2% of your balance. I recommend you to learn and to create your own strategy. I recommend you to look for traders that from where you can learn new things, like new strategy. For example, here I could say about myself that I am very calm and I can wait, I don't know, even 1 year, one pair. So I don't have any problems because I don't have anything to push me and like, you know, I have to trade right now, right here, because I have some bills to pay. No, I don't have something like this. You should trade first with your own money, not with your friend's money or your mother or father and so on, because at that time you will feel a huge pressure on your back that you should return that money. So these are my advices for those that they are new and they are trying to become profitable. Then you must have a trading plan, and you have to respect it. And after that you have to find out in which session you should trade, like London, like New York, like Asia. So this is what I recommend for guys that they are trying to learn and to become a successful trader. So I believe that this is the best strategy, exactly what I told you. So you can use EURJPY. What do you say here? Yeah, I think support zone pullback. I don't know about which pair you are talking about right now. Maybe you're talking about GBPUSD, I don't know. But for those that they are following me, and because of course later on I will not be on the market, because also I have students and also I have so many other things to do. So keep that in mind, that if I will see this pullback from here, okay, sorry, not pullback, like a rejection from 130-600 area, then I will have a sell. Okay, so I'm looking for a sell at EURJPY. Let me go back again to GJ and let's see, we still have 9 minutes until this 1 hour candle will close. And let me see, I think 2 hours. Yes, we still have 2 hours until this 4 hour candle will close. But it seems that right now the price came back down, rejected, and it seems like the price wants to come back up again here at 153,400 area. So if you want to have a trade, wait for confirmation. Do you have any other trades that you are in, or maybe you want to go in? Wow, thank you for this advice, amazing. Well, I cannot say that my advice is amazing. It's the one that I say to all the traders that they want to become profitable. I mean, I want you to be smart and to make money, not to lose your money in the market, because it's very easy to lose money on the market. First, you should trade with a stop loss and take profit. You should know where you should put your take profit and so on. So there are other things that you should know how to control them, not only the trading plan or everything that I have told you. You must have also risk management. So it's like you must have you have a big company that you know how to control it, and you know how to make it to grow. And I mean, like a business, you should take it like this. So don't take it like a game, because if you are taking like a game, believe me, you will not become profitable. And all the time that you make money, try to invest them in you, because this is the best way that you can grow. Okay, invest all the time in you. Try to read more, try to focus more. Leave the other guys that maybe are drinking, or maybe they want to go out, or maybe they want to go and have some fun and parties and so on. Work, make money, and later on you can enjoy, believe me. So it seems like Gigi is rejecting from this area, and I really want to wait these 7 minutes. You have to wait. I mean, I am waiting at least 6 minutes for this 30-minute and 1 hour candle, because I want to see where the price is trying to stop. Madi, can I learn your premium channel? How much? I don't want to speak about prices right here, but here you have my website, and it's bloomfxsignals.com, and also here you can find me everywhere, like on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. So if you want to learn and you want to take the courses, here you will have more information, and also the payment method. So it's better to go there. Well, let's see what is trying to do. Almost 6 minutes, and it seems like the candle it's rejecting from this area. Let me see the 1 hour. You see? Let me do it a little bit bigger. Now I don't know, everything is moving in slow motion, and I really don't like it. So it seems like it's rejecting from here, and I want to see how the next candle will open, and what that candle is trying to do. So let's see where this one is trying to believe you. Thank you so much. You are welcome. And hope that you are learning something from me. And by the way, I repeat myself that every week I am giving free passes to my educational group, where you can stay there for 1 week. You can see exactly what I'm doing right there on my educational group. And if you want to have a free pass, you can write me on my official page on Instagram. And I'm doing this because I have found out a lot of fake accounts, and like this I can give you how you say, when I'm giving you the free pass, you will see that I'm not fake, that I am real, and you can see also my work and my results. We have here a friend that is saying, what about EURJPY? Well, I said about EURJPY that maybe you came later. I said that I'm waiting for the price to come and tap this area, because if you are going on the higher time frames like daily, I do believe that the price can do like a double top, and then the price can fall. Okay, I'm waiting for the price to come down. So at this moment, even if this one is going to the moon, I'm not going to take anything. So I see only sell. So no buys at the moment. So there is a higher probability that the price can continue to go higher, but I don't want to take anything because I don't see anything. I'm just waiting for my strategy. So this is the best thing that you should do. My God, here it's nothing is happening. This is the best strategy. So if you see something, stick with that thing. Don't change your idea because maybe somebody is saying something. So for example, if you have in your mind a sell, and if I'm coming and saying no, it's a buy, well, don't take my idea, just stay focused on what you have said and see if you did it good or bad. Okay, if it's good or wrong, your idea, and then you can make another analysis. Okay, so this is another way of growing. Never change what you are thinking. Okay, so if I'm coming and saying, oh no, I think it's going to come down, this is my opinion. Okay, it's not yours, and I don't want to interfere with everything that you are thinking. Okay, so you must have your own ideas and your own opinions and trade what you see at that moment. Okay, not what you think or what I do think. Okay, about EURJPY, I said. So I have an eye on GJ right now. So it seems like okay, it's rejecting from this area, but let's see if it's trying to push even higher, or maybe the price is going to come down. Let me do the candles a little bit smaller to see. Okay, we are in a very, very stupid area, to be honest, and I really don't like how candles are looking right now, because I can see too many candles. Okay, also this is on the 30-minute, but I really don't like it. And I do believe that later on the market will move, because right now nothing is happening. So tell me if you have any other pairs in your mind. Okay, the new 1 hour just started, and it seems like the candle, it closed above, and now maybe it's just coming back down a little bit just to create like a wick, and then maybe the price can go higher. Let's see. I'm thinking like this because maybe the price can do the same thing like it happened right here. Okay, so maybe it's doing the same thing, and maybe it's going to go higher. I'm saying also because this candle, this bullish candle, it closed, let's say, like 50% from this bearish candle. So there is a higher chance that the price can go higher. Are you trading USD too? I'm trading everything that I see interesting, but my main pair, and the one that I like very much, is GJ, because it's very volatile and because it's crazy. Okay, so it gives me that adrenaline that I needed when I am on the market, because I am a very calm person. Okay, so sometimes I need this kind of feelings in my life. Okay, so what I can say, that yes, I do trade pairs with USD. Sometimes I trade gold, sometimes I trade Euro USD, sometimes GBPUSD. It depends a lot on what do I see. Okay, so I'm not going to trade something if I'm not sure 100%. So this one, it seems like it's in a range zone, and keep that in mind, that if you're trading, for example, Euro USD, and if the price is going to break and close under this area, then there is a higher chance that the price can come down first to 1.17800, or if the price is going to break up, then all the time you should look on the left side to see where the price can go higher. Okay, so first take profit could be here at 1.18200, and maybe here at 1.18350, and so on, but there is a higher chance that the price can come down. Okay, so yes, I do trade all the pairs. You can have a look on all the analysis that I'm doing on the weekend, and you can see them on TradingView, the BloomFX signals, and there you have all the information. Maybe you need some information in what do I believe about what's going on that period of time. I don't know, for example, this week, what do I believe? And maybe I can help you. I don't know, maybe I can give you some good ideas. Because, for example, and I said that at every beginning of the month, I'm not doing only the weekly analysis, I'm doing also the monthly analysis. So it's a parallel thing. Okay, so I'm doing also the weekly and the monthly. So it's very nice because you can see different everything that I'm talking about there. So also this week, that's why I have so many projects, and I'm trying to do so many things because I love Forex. And also now I started with crypto, and I started to invest in them. I bought some coins, and I said that okay, starting from this week I will create also a channel, and for those that they want to see my analysis, and also that maybe they are trading some pairs, they are having some coins, I don't know, they like crypto, they can subscribe to my channel, and there they could find all the details and all the pairs that I have invest, and I'm looking at them, and I can tell you my opinion and my ideas about them, and I can tell you in which ones you can invest, and so on. So at this pair, for example, at GJ on the 1 hour, believe me, I have this idea to have a buy. So it's itching me, my hands are itching me right now to have a buy on this one. But I don't know exactly what should I do, because I really don't like this area. It's very ugly. It's a huge mess right here. Also here we had like a range, it break and came back down. Here it seems like it's rejecting, and it's like it's trying to push higher. So I'm trying to see what the price is trying to do. Later on, if I'm going to have a trade, then definitely I will tell it to you on the group. That's why I said that it's a very good advantage if you want to take that free pass for 1 week on my educational group, because you can learn a lot of things, and you can see entries, and you can see my ideas, and also the people that they are in the group, they are so involved, and they are taking good trades, and they are making profit, they are making good money, and I'm very, very happy for them, because I started to create this group, and I want to grow it more and more, and also I want to have more girls here. And it's not that I have something with boys, but I want to have also more girls, to be like 50-50, you know. Come on, GJ, what you are trying to do. This is on the 15. It's trying to come down again to this area. But it's crazy. I don't understand because the price, it closed above. Maybe it's this one and I did like a mistake. This one to be like this. So you see, that's why it's very good to know exactly where to place your resistance and support, because sometimes you can wait for something and you are doing mistakes only because you didn't put them well. Double bottom, I predict. You predict what? About who? I cannot read your minds. Tell me, what did you predict? Double bottom at what? At which pair? I want to know. Ah, so right now it makes sense, but no, it's not making any sense. It was very good where I have put it. So it has to be here. You know, you see that sometimes you should be very careful that even if you put your resistance and support perfectly, the candles are not doing what do you think. So that's why I don't rush into a trade, even if I thought that the price is going to come up and then the price came back down. Even if this candle, it closed above, maybe it was a very small candle and it couldn't continue to go higher. So tell me if you are in a trade or something, or maybe you are waiting the same thing like I am waiting right now. So even if this one, I mean, I don't like how this one it closed. I had in my mind that if the price is going to come to this area, then there is a higher chance that the price can continue to go up. Also because this one it closed 50% from this one, so there are some little things that you should look at them. So now it seems that it came back down, but the tail right now, I'm looking at the tails. This one it closed lower and this one higher and higher, so maybe it came back down, grab some liquidity, and maybe it's going to continue to go higher. Mehdi, I don't know what your name is. If you're writing in your language, in Arab or what you have there, sorry, but I cannot understand what you are saying, so I cannot help you more. So maybe the price can come to this area of 153.012 zone. This is what I have in my mind. I don't think that the price can fall right now. Not now. Maybe later on, yes. But right now, if it's not going to do what I'm thinking, then fine. I don't have any problems. So coming back to we still have 1 hour and 48 minutes until this 4-hour candle will close. So I think that this one could be like a very good decision. So if the price is going to reject and come back up, then we can have a beautiful buy. So we have to wait here what's going on. And if the price is going to come down and break 152,600 area, okay, and close under this support, then there is a higher chance that the price can come down to here. That's why I said I'm not rushing to take anything. I had also yesterday a very good trade with the EURJPY. I had a buy. Remember that I have put 2 pips the stop loss, and I said that if it's going to break it, then fine. And it didn't touch me, and it went up. And I had guys that they took the same trade with me, and they made beautiful money, and they say that is the first time when they had like this a long trade and with so many pips. That's why I'm not in a rush, because I still have today, after tomorrow, and so on. I have days when I can make another 50 pips, and I can be very happy, because remember, I'm trying to make only 100 pips per week. That's why I don't have any stress, and that's why I'm profitable, and that's why I'm making money, and that's why I consider myself a very good trader, and also with results, because I don't push myself to limits, and because I'm trading with a very good lot size, okay, and I increase my lot size only when I can see that I'm comfortable with that amount of money that I'm risking, and so on. So you should do the same, and try also I wanted to say that try to trade on the real account, and try to build a real account. Don't go on the demo account and making millions there, because this is a fake thing, and you will not be able to make money in the real account, because how you say, you will be scared to have too many trades open on the real account, because you will start shaking and so on. It's everything emotional, and you have to control all these things. So don't compare demo with real, because it's not the same thing, and on the real you can lose a lot of money. So try to build from $500 on the demo account. Try to build it and trade it with how I'm telling you, with not more than 2% of your balance, and so on, and try to build it, and not to trade with I don't know, a lot of 1 or 10 or 15 or 5, or I don't know. Try to make it more real. Yeah, this one, it seems like it's not doing exactly what I thought it's doing, so again, also this one I'm not going to trade it. Maybe somebody took this trade, but to be honest, I didn't like it, and I thought that the price is going to reject from here and come back up again, or maybe it's going to do it from here, I don't know. Maybe you have other ideas, or maybe you see something which I don't see. Let me see also EURJPY, how it's presenting right now. So it seems like also this one, it's rejecting from this area. And let me go on the 4-hour candle, and it seems like this one created a new high at 130.566, and if this one is going to do like this, then if we have momentum, the next 4-hour candle, it should continue to go higher and to fill this wick. So keep that in mind, okay? Maybe it's just coming back down to have like a retest and then back up again. So until I don't see that this area from here, it's going to hit my alarm, I will not have anything, because I don't trust it. Right now, I really don't trust it. Let me see also EURUSD. Also EURUSD is in the same situation. my god, I took all this. I'm so happy that I took this trade, and also the guys from my group took it too. USD GPY, it seems like it's rejecting from here. So you see, sometimes when you are putting exactly where you have your zones, then you can predict what's going on. It seems like all the pairs with GPY, they are going down. And let me see, maybe the GPY, it's gaining strength. Yes, that's why also sorry, not GU, but I want to check. GJ is falling, but maybe you can see GJ coming up next 4 hour candle. So be careful, okay? I really don't see anything right now, and I really don't like it. I wanted to have a buy on GJ, but it didn't do exactly what I thought that it's going to do. Later on, if this pair is going to do what I'm thinking, then I can have a buy, and I will send it on my group, because also today I want to have a trade, okay? And I hope that this one, it could be GJ. I love GJ and I love how it's moving. Site name, what? My this one. Here you have bloomfxsignals.com. This is my website. You have a lot of things here, okay? You have like signals, you have like the robot, Atom EA, you have the courses, you have also BloomFX crypto is the one that I have told you before. So you have a lot of options, then you can have it. How we can check if the currency is strong or weak? I can give you a website where, let's say, you can have like a currency strength meter. It's this one, but don't rely on it 100%, okay? You can rely on it only 50%, and that the other 50 should be what you see on your charts, okay? So yes, you can have it, livecharts.co.uk, and here you have the currency strength meter, and you can have a look on it. I like to use it. And the other thing is that, for example, I am using pure price action, naked price action, I don't know how to call it. I use only resistance and support, and I can see that one currency and the other is stronger when you see that also the prices are rejecting from some important levels, okay? We have some key levels on the chart, and you have to do some back testing. Also you must have first a trading plan, and you must know how and from where to start to make your analysis and so on. So I do believe that this one, it's still going to go up. This is what I'm thinking. That's why I didn't took this sell. And also here we had something like 20 pips, I think. But I really don't care. So believe me, when you are stick in something, oh no, not even 16. I do believe that this one is going to reject from here and come up. Okay, let me see also this one, how it's going to depends also all on this candle, how it's going to close. Are you or use fin? I don't understand. You are singing, you are dancing here on my live stream. I don't know what you're doing. Maybe we have a good singer here, Jessica. She's singing, oh na na na. You took a trade that you're so happy. Please tell me. I want to be happy too. Okay, I am happy every day. This one is coming down. Let me see. What is this? My God. Let me remove everything. I think that I had an old Fibonacci right there. Also this one is rejecting from this area, but there is a higher chance that the price can continue to go higher. So remember that if you see only one bearish candle and you are in an uptrend, this doesn't mean that the trend is going to change and the price is going to fall. It's normal for the price to have like a retracement, and that retracement, it made like 50% from what it happened, like it went up. So everything, it has retracements, okay? Like also the waves, or I don't know how you call them, when you're going to the seaside, you see the water is coming and then it has like 50% retracement, and then it's coming back up again, and so on. So Euro AUD, I'm still waiting for this one. My God, I remember that I had hours and hours and waiting for GJ to have a move, and I think that all my life I'm going to wait for this one, because I'm pretty sure that I'm going to trade also at the age of 60, 70. Hope God that I will live until that time, because I think that this is I'm going to do for the rest of my life. First, because I love it. Second, because I'm profitable. So I don't see any reason why not to do it. Only if they cut internet, I will not trade it. So it seems like this one is rejecting from this area. So keep in mind that, so I will head off from this live session. So keep that in mind, that there is a higher chance for GJ to continue to go up, and wait for the price to see if it's going to break this area of 152,894 area, and if it's going to close above it, then you can have a buy at least to 153.130 area. If not, then the price can still play around this zone, also like it happened right here. At one stage it's going to break it either up or down, so you can wait it here at 152,688, or here at 152,800, okay, 900 area. Okay, I'm still more for a buy than for a sell at this moment. I still that and I do believe, and I can see that we are in an uptrend, and what had GJ done right now, it's like it came down a little bit, did like a retest, and I still believe that the price should hit here at 153.850 area here. Okay, and from there to see what's going on. I am on AUD USD. Where is it? AUD USD. You are in AUD USD, yes, but you are in a buy, you are in a sell. For me, it could be a buy. I don't see any sell right now. This is on the daily. Let me see on the 1 hour. You are in a buy, you are in a sell, you should tell me. And you said that also GU looks good. So the price can tap to this zone at 0.76300 area, and GU looks good too. GU looks good too for what? Also to come up. It's rejecting from this area also on the 1 hour. So you see, I think that these pairs are doing the same thing, like GJ is going to go up and GBP is going to get some strength. GU the same. I think it has to continue to go higher. Let me see, GBP CAD is rejecting and it's going out. New Zealand, it's rejecting also here. And if we are looking at this one, you see the price, it's still trying to walk out from this area and to continue to go higher. So my opinion is that all these pairs with GBP, they has to continue to go up, and after that, maybe for at the end of this week, maybe the price can continue to maybe to reject and come back down. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. For those that they are in my group, I will send you my ideas, and if I see anything, definitely I'm going to trade it and I'm going to tell it to you. I'm going to be stick here with GJ and waiting to see what it's trying to do, because if it's going to have a buy, then definitely I am going to come and tell it to you. Okay, and I'm waiting for you tomorrow. Okay, maybe we can have a trade finally, because I'm tired of this. Friday we had NFP, but it didn't move because we had bank holiday. Yesterday we had bank holiday and everything, it was like a mess up. I didn't like it, and the spread was high. Today I really don't like anything, and I do believe that some moves they have been already done in the morning, like GU, like EURJPY and some other pairs. So see you tomorrow, and hope that we can have a trade together. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and take care of you, and don't over trade.